Okay, so if you are using a commercial version of ArchiCad, you're not gonna get this pop-up window which you just get whenever you're using the educational version for ArchiCad. If you have the same case where you're using an educational version of ArchiCad, you can just press left click on this pop-up and it's gonna open next the new project menu. Now in this menu you can select two options. The first option is about which template you want to use for your project. Now, the international version for ArchiCad is just gonna have one template. You can also click over here, the Browse Template button, in order to select a specific template you want to use for your project. But since we're just getting started with ArchiCad, I'm gonna recommend you to just leave it like ArchiCad 27 template, the general template. And also, something else you can select is the work environment profile, which basically gives you a specific configuration depending on what you're working. If, for example, you're an architect and you just want to design a project, you can use, for example, the architectural basic profile or the architectural profile. Or if you're an engineer who just wants to model facilities, plumbing, electrical installations, or if you want to work on structural criteria or structural modeling, you also have this kind of profiles which you can select so that ArchiCAD gives you another layout for the work environment. Now, I want to point out that it's not entirely necessary to specify which work environment you want. You also can switch the work environment inside ArchiCAD after you have started a project. So having said that, let's just click over here the new project, just leave it like ArchiCAD 27 template and the basic architectural profile. Okay, let's click over here, new project, and let's give ArchiCAD 1 second so it starts a new project. Alright, so when ArchiCAD has finished loading the project, this is the main interface, something we're gonna cover in detail in the next lessons.